Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by getting a Chromecast device or a TV with Chromecast built in. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV and into a 5v1A power source. Place your Google Home within 10 meters of the TV for setup and reliable voice control. Ensure both the Chromecast and Google Home will connect to the same router network. Use either 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands with the same. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet to begin setup. Tap Add, then Setup Device, and choose New Device to find your Chromecast. Follow on screen prompts to select the same Wi-Fi SSID used by your Google Home. Assign the Chromecast to the same room as your Google Home speaker for group control. Name the Chromecast with a clear label you will use with voice commands. Confirm the device shows online in the app before casting. To cast, open a compatible app and tap the cast icon, then select your Chromecast by name. Or say, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Living Room TV," to start streaming with voice. You can group the Chromecast and a Google Home speaker in the app to route audio and control volume together. If casting fails, restart the Chromecast or your router and wait 1 minute before retrying. Keep your devices updated in the Google Home app for best performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.